What time is it right now? Oh, that's great. I'm not late. Hello, kids. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at your place and following schedule given by ma'am. Is that very nice? So, kids, yesterday we have learned about our body parts, safe touch and unsafe touch. Hope you all got the concept. Is that great? See, it's that much of important to take care of your body as it is needed to be protected. And I'm so sure that you all are following healthy tips for keeping your body healthy as like Kate. You know, before this lockdown period, Kate used to play with her friends in the garden. As you all did, I know. But one day, you know what happened with Kate? She had a great experience there in the garden. Do you want to know what was that? Yes? Okay. So kids, before starting, I just want to tell you one interesting thing that if you want to experience the same as Kate experienced, so keep yourself at the place of Kate and enjoy the Kate story. A journey to the ancient time. One day, Kate and her friend Moodle were playing in the garden. Kate was collecting the reusable things from the garden so that she could create something new from those things. While making her collection, suddenly she found a mysterious thing and called her friend to come fast to her. Then she said, "Look, what did I find, Moodle?" Moodle said, "Wow, Kate, it seems to be mysterious clock. I have never seen such type of numeral before." The moment Kate turned the needle of clock, they both got inside the clock. They both entered into the machine vault, where they saw that the people around them were tinkering with the tools. They observed that those numerals which was on the clock was here as well. "Look, what is that?" said Moodle. Kate replied, "After reaching back to home, I'll discuss it with my ma'am. Definitely, we got an idea about it." "Yeah, sure, Kate," said Moodle. "Now let's find the way to move out of this world and to reach back to our home." But how we would move out of it? As they were walking on the way, suddenly Kate observed a machine there, and they both moved to it. "Wow, Kate, look, this is time machine," said Moodle. When Kate touched that, they got a voice coming out of the time machine that, "I will take you back to your place, but before reaching, you have to clear all my 3 stages." Kate and Moodle were looking at each other and asked, "But what are these stages and how we could clear them?" Time Machine replied that you may get the solution at Ancient Ruler's place. Then they both went to Ancient Ruler and discussed all their problem and asked for help. Ancient Ruler was ready to help them and explain the way to come out from this situation. He said, "First, you have to clear level I and remember all what I am saying to you. I stands for 1. Then you will observe 2I, that is for 2. Then you have to tap on 3I, that is our number 3. As the moment you tap on 3, that is 3I, then you entered into the next level, wherein you have to clear level V, wherein you will observe 3 locks with the tag V, IV and VI. Remember kids, V has key of number 5, IV is for number 4 and VI is for 6. So you have to find these 3 numbers keys to unlock your lock. Then Kate said, "But why is that like IV stand for 4 and VI stand for 6? Is there any shortcut to learn this?" Ancient Ruler smiled and said, "Yes, of course, Kit. I'll tell you the secret behind it. As I have told you earlier that I stand for 1 and V stand for 5. Here, V is greater than I because 5 is greater than 1. Is that? Yes. So, smaller number comes before the numeral, then it should be subtracted. For example, I minus V, that is 5 minus 1, comes out 4. And if the smaller number comes after the greater number, then it should be added. For example, V plus 1, that is 5 plus 1 comes out 6 here. Again, we can take one more example. If we have V, I, then we'll write 5 plus 1 comes out 7. Hopefully, this explanation will help you out to solve your stage 2nd. When you will complete your stage 2nd, then you will enter to the last stage, that is our level X, wherein kids remember X stands for 1, 0, 10. What is that? Yes, X stands for 10. Same as IV and VI. Here also IX, that is 1 minus 10 is equal to 9, and XI, that is 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Again, let us have one more example. X double I is equal to 10 plus 1 comes out 12 here. So kids, this is how you can clear all the level by tapping correctly. Be ready to clear all the levels, then you can move out of this world and reach back to your place. Good luck kids. Then they both get into the machine by clearing all the levels and came back to their world. So kids, how was the story? Hope you all like that. Yes? Great. What you have observed in the story? We have observed Roman numbers. Now, who will tell me what are these? Great. These numbers are quite different from numeral numbers. Numeral numbers we have already done, like 1, 2, 3, 4. All these are numeral numbers. But we have different writing patterns for Roman number. Do you want to know what is Roman number? Yes? Okay, ma'am will tell you. Roman numbers are the numeral system that originated in ancient Rome and remained the usual way of writing numbers throughout the Europe. Numbers in this system represented as the combination of Latin alphabet. So for this session, we'll learn about 3 symbols. First is I, second is V, third one is X. As you have observed in the video itself that I stands for what? Yes, very nice. I is for 1 and V is for 5. Very good. And the another one which we have is X. It is for what? Yes, X is for 10. So kids, to know more about it, let's have a look to video. Observe the video carefully and learn it. So kids, here we have 2 clocks, right? First clock is with numeral 1, 2, 3 to 12, as you all have observed it, right? And the second is of Roman numbers, right? We have Roman numbers written here. So you have to observe only 3 symbols. Yes, first is I, second is V, third is X. These 3 symbols will help you to learn numbers till 12 and many more. Let us see. Here first we have I, first I, 1 I, 2 double I, 3 triple I, 4 I, V, whereas I minus V. V is for 5, I is for 1. When we subtract 5 minus 1 gets 4. So here IV is for 4 it's clear to you. Let's move further. V is for 5. Then we have 6. V plus I, that is 5 plus 1 equals to 6. I hope it's been clear to you all now. Great. Same as 7, 7, 8, 8, 7 V double I, 8 V triple I, 9 I X, 10 X, 11 X I, 12 X double I. I hope now the difference between these two numerals is being clear to you all. So kids, this is how we can write Roman numbers. I hope you have watched the video carefully and learned from it. Is that great? So kids, now you have to make a clock with Roman numbers. I hope you all will make it by the time and send your response to me. I'll be waiting for your response. We'll meet again with one more amazing learning session. Till then, take care and stay safe at your place. Bye bye.